just kidding. Today is day 114 of quarantine. And Hannah won't let go of Terrence, the face that she put on a piece of Scotch tape that I accidentally rubbed off within 2 minutes. And I'm so sorry, but she unsolicited stuck a person that she got attached to within 2 minutes on my hand. I did not ask for the responsibility of being a father, and she gave it to me. What do you have to say for yourself?
You could have just given him back.
I tried, but I killed him.
You killed him.
It's your fault for using not permanent marker on tape.
I mean, he's not wrong.
I have PTSD of this situation. You can't just say things
You
like
can't even
that.
spell his name right.
Ah! It was an accident, okay? I'm sorry.
For the record, I am not at fault if she,
Yes, you are.
like, whoever Achilles' mom is, didn't make him right.
We're fine, guys. We're fine.
Achilles. From Greek mythology, his mom missed the spot, and you used the wrong material to make him immortal. Way to go.
I don't even know what to say to that. Terrence deserved to live a life of peace and happiness. He deserved to pursue his dreams. He wanted to be a pianist, but did you know that? No, you didn't.
He deserved to
You crushed
die.
his dreams. No, you wiped his dreams off on your hand.
He deserved to die.
I didn't ask for the responsibility of raising a child.
You weren't supposed to raise him. You were just supposed to watch him for 30 seconds.
You didn't tell me that. You were like, here you go. I'm going to stick him on you.
How did you manage to ruin something in 30 seconds?
It was not 30 seconds. It was at least 2 minutes.
Which is as long as this vlog.
What are you, America Online?
Oh.
That's gonna do it for today, guys. As always, stay safe, wash your hands, eat cereal, peace out, and Terrence deserved what came for him.